Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can get free money on the Cash App. The link will be in the description below, so go ahead and click that link in the description to get started. Anyways, you guys can see I currently have $0 on the Cash App, but I'm going to go ahead and change that and generate some money so I can update that balance on my Cash App account. So once you click the link that's in the description, you guys will see this website. Just go ahead and enter your Cash App email or phone number. And I'm going to go ahead and just enter my Cash App email and then hit proceed. Alright, so once you do that, it will ask you to select the amount of Cash App money you want to generate. And I'm going to click the plus button so I can get the most out of this generator, which is $100, and then hit generate. Now it's just going to go ahead and connect to your account through the Cash App database so it can generate $100 that it will eventually put into your account. And now there is an anti-bot verification, and you might have to do it manually, and if you do, all you have to do is hit verify now. Alright, and I'm going to show you guys how easy this is. When you hit verify now, you guys will be redirected to a list of apps. All you'll have to do is install 2 apps from this list and follow the instructions below each app you install. So I'm going to go ahead and install this first app right over here, and that's going to redirect me to the App Store, and once it does that, I can start installing this first app. And then I'll go back onto the list of apps and choose the second app. Alright, and once I start downloading the second app, I will just simply wait for the installation of both apps to complete. And now we will just wait. And you guys can see here, these apps are very small in size, so they download quite quickly, as you can see right here. So just be patient and they will download in no time. And you guys can see here that the first app I downloaded is about to finish. It has finished. And the second app I'm downloading is going to finish any second now. And once the installation of both of these apps can complete, I will begin the process. Starting with the first app. So the instructions for this first app told me all I have to do is sign up for an account. And in general, for both of the apps you have to make sure you're on each app for at least 30 seconds, no matter how fast you follow the instructions. Anyways, I'm just going to go ahead and complete these 5 steps registering for this account. And once I complete these 5 steps, I will still have to make sure I'm on the app for at least 30 seconds since I registered for the account in under 30 seconds. Alright, so I registered for my account, so now I'm just going to go ahead and just do some interactions with the app just to make sure I'm on the app for at least 30 seconds. Alright, and once it's been 30 seconds, or at least 30 seconds, I can go ahead and get off the app and go on to the next app. So this app, the instructions are very simple. All I have to do is just make sure I'm on the app for at least 30 seconds, no specific instructions. You have to remember this is human verification, so when you're on the app, you want to make sure you're doing human interactions on the app. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and do human interactions on this app for at least 30 seconds. And it's very important that when you're on these apps, you're not on them and you're not idle on them, you're interacting with the apps. That way you can ensure you pass the human verification successfully. Alright? So just doing a few more human interactions just to make sure I'm on this app for at least 30 seconds. And once I'm done with the human verification on both apps, just go ahead and open up the Cash App. And if you completed it, you will see money being loaded right into your account. And you guys can see here I started with $0 and now I have $100 getting loaded right into my account. So very simple stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and have a good one. And just remember, the link will be in the description, so just follow all the steps of this video so you guys can generate some money on the Cash App.